Greetings, Hamster Hangout Book Club members. Today is an exciting day. It's Take a Look Tuesday. We're going to take a look at a Brain Pop resource, and you get to this by typing the word Brain Pop into your Google search or just going to brainpop.com. And you're going to come to a page. Let me kind of get back where I started here. I start out at my Brain Pop page. Um, it's going to ask you to scroll to the subject that you want to go to. And for today, we're going to be going into English. And once you go into Brain Pop English, there's some different categories or sections to look through. And for our book club purposes today, we're going to be going into famous authors and books. And once you click into famous authors and books, there's quite a few to choose from. Um, some of these topics are very, very famous authors from long ago, and some of them are actually books from long ago or characters from long ago. I am giving you the choice to pick any one that you would like. You're going to choose one and stick with one. Because the survey assignment that goes along with this, that will be posted in your Google Stream for the Hamster Hangout Classroom, it will be a topic survey, and so you can't pick more than one because all the questions are going to be related to whichever one you chose. So, for example, if I decide that I'm going to choose Anne Frank as my topic, I'm not going to switch to a different one. I'm going to keep that one for now, and she will be the person that I answer all my survey questions about. So it is possible that you might start one and decide you want to change to, let's say I decided to go to Emily Dickinson instead, but then I'm not going to use any of the Anne Frank information on the survey that I fill out. But let's just jump in and find one that we really want to look at. And I want to show you some of the difference. Like A Wrinkle in Time is actually a book. So this one's going to take you into this famous book. Um, and then if you go over here, um, let's see, Mark Twain is an author. So you can kind of see there's a difference. I would prefer that you pick an author this time. So Agatha Christie, Anne Frank, Charles Dickens, Edgar Allan Poe. If you could choose an author rather than a book, it's going to help you in filling out the survey assignment that goes with this. So we're going to jump right in. I definitely want to choose Judy Blume. So Judy Blume is a famous author, and she, um, you might know her from some of her just more famous books about Ramona. They actually even made a movie based off of some of her books, but she's a series writer, which means she keeps the same character and she puts them in new situations. And so her books can be found in a series. You buy the book that follows one of her other books, and it's a new adventure, but it's the same character. So those are kind of cool. And then she also has some standalone books. But you would go to this section and look at all the different activities that you can do just with Judy Blume. So I'm going to have you choose the one that you want. Let's pretend like I choose Judy Blume. And she has her own little movie here, which I'm just playing a little section of it. And it's Moby. And they're going to learn a little bit about her and talk about her. After you watch the movie, there's other information. You can do a graphic organizer. Oop, sorry, it's coming up. and print that out to help you. You could also do vocabulary activities. Okay. Just a lot of exploration once you go into the Judy Blume section. So I want you again to go into BrainPop, go to the English section, click Famous Authors and Books, and you're going to choose one famous author to learn about and watch their little movie snippet. And then once you go back to our Google Classroom, there will be an author survey in your classroom stream that you will need to fill out and answer questions about the author that you chose. This is going to be so much fun. Happy reading, everybody.